Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by preparing components and the cardboard base. You measure your head, trace the helmet pattern, and cut a snug visor slot for the camera. Once done, you reinforce seams with tape and glue so the structure survives handling. Meanwhile, mount the small camera module on a temporary test board and wire it to the battery and switch. Test power flow. Make sure the IR LEDs are functional before permanently attaching them to the visor mount. Now you assemble the optics and finalize wiring. You solder the IR LEDs in parallel, adding resistors sized for 3.7V so current is stable, and test light output on the camera feed. Once the LED array is stable, position the camera directly behind the clear aperture and secure it with hot glue and soft foam to maintain alignment. Route wires inside the helmet shell, mount the battery in a padded pouch, and install the switch at a reachable spot so you can toggle power without removing the helmet. Finish by fitting and testing the helmet under real low-light conditions. You seal any light leaks, paint the interior matte black to reduce reflections, and verify camera focus and LED alignment. Once done, put the helmet on and run a live feed. Adjust LED intensity and camera exposure until the view is clear. If the image shows flicker or dropout, check solder joints and battery voltage first. Loose connections cause most problems. Then verify camera grounding and try a fresh battery to isolate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.